What's up? What's up? It's your girl KCharles, and guess what we got today? Y'all know I've been talking about this box from Mood, right? Look what I got today. Let me cover up my address so y'all can't see where I live. But look what I got today. This is the mystery box from Mood. It is for me. All right, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Don't nobody say nothing about them scissors I'm using. Hold on, let me go get a knife. Alright, y'all, I had to go get a quick little knife. Let's get back to opening up the box. Hold on. Hold up. Y'all can see this is the Mood mystery box right here. So you get 10 pounds of mystery fabrics, and I am opening this box with y'all. This is Mood. Thank you for your recent Mood purchase. I get 10% off my next online order between now and the 21st of December. See, told y'all they slick with it. Ooh, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so this is the mystery box. Let me fold that down so y'all can't see my address. Y'all can see right here, mystery fabrics, 10 pounds, 0 swatches, 1 total product SKU. Thank you for your recent purchase from Mood Fabrics. So this is the way the box comes and the way it looks. Everything is in here, some nice little plastic. Let's open it up. Ooh, baby. Let's open it and see. Let us see. Let us see what is in the box. Okay, so right off the break, I like this little material. Y'all know I like a good print. What this look like to y'all? It almost look like some bells or some like little something. But baby, this is nice. This is, and guess what? Ooh, it got some stretch. Trying to see which way is it stretch, more stretch. This way? Nope. It got some stretch that way. Very little bit, but a little bit of stretch, y'all. And I like this. Listen, this would be, and baby, I don't know, this is a lot of material. So, I could easily make a nice little suit for work or something out of this material. It's almost like a suiting. I'm trying to see if it tells me what the products is. Like sometimes they'll put a tag, but it don't say. So, but this is nice. Y'all know I like a good print. So this is the first thing out the box. The next thing, we got some, just like some purple. Ooh, y'all, this some velour. This is some velour. It don't have no stretch to it, but it's definitely some burgundy velour, which is even cute because guess what? I got a little Christmas party to go to, but they didn't give me a whole lot of that one. But it's definitely some burgundy velour. Very cute, very cute. Even if I make a skirt or something, I don't know. That's cute. All right, let's see what the next one is. The next item we have up top. Ooh, we got some more prints. Y'all look at this print. Ooh, y'all know y'all know I love this print right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Listen. I feel like this is about to be something for my St. Lucia trip. Ooh, look at that. Y'all know I love a good print. Hold on, let's see. Let's open her up. This is definitely a non-woven. Oh, let's see if it's on. This digital print made in Spain for Mood Fabrics. Y'all see that? This is a digital print, which means, so when they say digital print, that means somebody went online and they put this design together with the colors and the ensemble. But baby, I love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is definitely going. Listen. This is so cute right here. This is definitely going to St. Lucia. If nothing else in this box is going to St. Lucia, this is going to St. Lucia. And it's crazy because it got my purples and my orange, and then it got the little periwinkle blue. Yeah. Okay, next on the block. Here is another digital print. Look like somebody did. Oh, that's cute too. Y'all see that turquoise? It's more greenish though than y'all probably seen. It looks a little bluish, but it's really like it's like a green. It has the green. I'm trying to get closer to the light. Those are green, but I like that print too. Y'all know I like a good print. So, guess what? I won't have to buy no print nothing for St. Lucia. That one's cute too. I ain't figured out what that's going to be yet, but it's going to be something. Okay, check us out. And listen, I love that they are doing all the fall colors. But y'all, this is so cute right here. I'm almost thinking, and y'all know I was going to order me something like this to make my bomber. This might be the inside of my bomber. What y'all think? What y'all think about this color for the bomber? On the front or the back? I mean on the front and in the back. Sleeves will be in that burgundy leather. Look, and I think I got some sleeve material too. Watch, hold on, watch this. Where is it? Check this out. Ooh, possible. Interesting. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. Let's see what else we got in the box. This is white. Oh, you know what? This is like some lining material right here. You all know we need a good liner here and there. But that's definitely what this is. It's like a liner. It's cute though. Let's see what the next print is. Yeah, this is another print. Looks like another digital print. Oh, but guess what? This one got some stretch. Y'all see that good orange? Again, it's more of a bluish turquoises than it looks like in the video. But this is pretty too. Look at that. Okay, listen, I might as well go and buy my sandals now. Okay, so that's what's in there. Let's see what this says. Y'all, I think this is some black corduroy. Or some, let's see what this is. Yeah, y'all, this is actually like a, ooh, guess what? Maybe God is telling me to make my jacket in black. Because when I say this is like that sweatshirt fleece, but a little bit more stable, I don't know. God might be saying, make your jacket in black. Because this is the perfect material for my bomber. Well, this was everything that was in the box. That's everything that's in the box. And I love it. Everything in this box is going to definitely get used. Y'all know, listen, I'm already designing this one in my head. This got to be a cute little, you know what, this got to be cute, like a cute little jumpsuit or something. This got to, I don't know, maybe, so much, the possibilities. And like I said, this one right here is probably going to end up being, you know what, maybe I can do me like a long little coat. Even a 3/4 length coat out of this one. Because it get cold down here, but it ain't getting real cold. And I think that would be a hot little jacket. You know, like a long jacket I could wear every day. Even to wear work. Alright, well, that was my box. I hope y'all liked it because I loved it. I'll be back and let y'all know what I'm going to do with all this good stuff. But y'all know the first thing I'm thinking about already is this dress right here. And I'm going to tell you, I don't know why I'm looking at this and it makes me think of Miss Roper. Y'all remember Miss Roper on Three's Company? And how she used to have those cute little flowy dresses and stuff on. But that's the first thing I'm thinking about when I see that. Yeah, I love this print right here. All right, so that's what's in the box. Go ahead and get your box and let me see what you got. And I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.